One of the central rights of property ownership is the right to exclude others. But what happens when the general public claims a right to access private property, as in, for example, privately owned beachfront? In State ex relatione Thornton versus Hay, the Oregon Supreme Court offered one possible answer to this question. William Hay owned an oceanfront resort on the Oregon coast. Hay wanted to build fences to keep the general public from accessing the dry sand area of his property. The dry sand area, which extended from the mean high tide line to the upland visible line of vegetation, was included in Hay's title. The area that extended seaward from the mean high tide line, known as the wet sand area, belonged to the state and was open for public use. Historically, the general public was accustomed to use the dry sand areas of the coast for recreation in conjunction with the wet sand area, and the upland owners didn't object. Hay acknowledged that the public had used his land continuously for more than 60 years and that he was aware of that fact when he bought the property. Oregon Attorney General Robert Thornton sued Hay on the state's behalf, seeking an injunction to prevent Hay from limiting the public's access to the dry sand area of his property. The trial court ruled that the general public had acquired an easement for recreational purposes in Hay's dry sand area and issued an injunction forbidding Hay from constructing fences or other improvements there. Hay appealed to the Oregon Supreme Court.